Yo, what's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from MPC Tunes. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to get the vintage MPC sound. One of the reasons I like to use MPC Beats when I'm programming drums or sampling is to get that MPC vintage sound. But you have to enable in order for you to get that sound. If you don't enable it, you won't get that vintage sound. It'll be a more cleaner sound. Alright, there are two ways that you can achieve this, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first way to get the vintage sound is by going to the master channel. Okay, this is the master output channel, and you can also go to this channel mixer to see the output right here. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is to add the vintage effects to the master channel. So I'm going to click on this, go to vintage effects, and here you have a bunch of MPC models that comes with the vintage effects. One of my favorite is to use MPC 3000, but you can use whichever that you want. So you can add this to the master channel. You will get that MPC vintage sound for this particular model. If you don't like it, you can actually come click here and then you can check the other types, or you can even add two if that's what you want. Alright, if you want to change it, just click here and go to MPC 3000 and select. Okay, so this is the first way of getting that vintage sound. The other ways that you can achieve this is by going to the go to edit, go to preference, and here under this general tab you have to scroll. No, you don't have to scroll. You have right here master outputs, vintage mode. Here you can select which vintage effects that you want. If you want MPC 3000, just click and then hit OK. So everything that you do here right now in MPC Beats will have that color added to the sound. Okay, you have to do this in order to get that MPC sound. So that's it for today, guys. It's a quick MPC Beats tip today. If you guys find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. Alright, so thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.